a tiny house.
Yeah.
We can blame, we can
Yeah.
just respect and be happy, be supportive like that.
Yeah. Well, it's difficult sometimes.
But honestly, sir, your lot is big, yeah? How many square meter is this? All in all.
Many.
1.3.
1.3 is 1 hectare?
Yeah, 1.3 hectares.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's why it's big. Yeah.
Very nice.
We got this during pandemic.
How much per square meter?
I think the time is 70 per square meter.
70?
Yeah. We got it for 70. Something like that.
70 per square meter.
70 or something like that. 70 or 80 something. It's not above 100. Yeah. Because at the time it's pandemic, and then when everybody thought everybody gonna die. you know, everybody gonna die. So we just said, we just gamble. What if we will not die all?
Really?
But Alfred
Yeah.
was.
At first it's
Was
Alfred.
interested.
Alfred interested in
We
this.
brought Alfred to look, but all of this was completely overgrown.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a
except
lot
for those
of-
rice fields down
It's a
there.
lot of it's uphill, something like that.
Yeah.
And then there a lot of mango trees, a lot of different kind of trees. And then what we did is we chainsaw it, and then after that is we backhoe, and then after that we flat. So it's a lot of work to make it flat. Because what our only reason is it's cemented road,
Yeah, because you are in the highway, in the road, beside
Yeah.
the road. You don't need to walk for how many?
And it's a cement road,
Yeah.
so I can ride my bike.
Yeah.
I couldn't ride that bike that I have.
This is a good investment.
Well, we hope so.
Yeah.
Who knows?
if you because if you sell this area or this lot now, this is not 70 per square meter.
Yeah.
Exactly.
No.
The
Well,
next
Maybe it's about
nothing has ever gone down, has it?
yeah, it's about maybe 3,000, 2,000 per square meter. Maybe this time
down the road there are 500, 1,000.
down the road.
Oh yeah, 500. The highway is 1,500 per square meter. There are 3,000. So in this side it's around 300 or 400 per square meter.
This side.
Yeah. Sometime depending on the area. So
Really?
the other one is 250. The next one 250 per square meter. But when Talibon and Hitafe bloom, it will getting expensive.
Yeah.
Because they've got bridges going in. Plus, if you look around in Taliban, they've got all of that reclamation work going on at the seafront by the port, and they've reclaimed wider than this house, wide this way,